Hello, everyone, and welcome to the newest top 7 stocks buy/hold list for 6/5. And it's good to see the market is up this morning, so I'm expecting good things. I'm expecting wonderful things today, so this should be a great day to buy in and hold. I do recommend, however, that if you are in a position and you are wanting to get out of a position that's on this list, that you wait at least until market open. Wait until after, I would say 15 minutes after market open, because I am expecting the market to be up and for there to be spikes early this morning. So let's get on to it. All right, number 7 is EVOK. I still have EVOK on here. The whole thing with this one is I'm hoping for PDUFA date to that run up to give us good returns. So you can see in the volume yesterday, 568,240 versus an average volume of 345,000. So there is quite a bit of accumulation going into this. So I am hoping for a spike here soon. And so I think it's a good pick. I do think that this one is worth around $4 a share. It just hasn't happened yet. So hopefully we see what happens and go from there. HPQ had more insider buying. I did sell this position on my personal portfolio for a 5% gain yesterday, but I'm expecting another spike, especially with new insider activity. So I just got into this one myself. And anyway, I'm looking for great things today. I think it'll easily be up today. Should see a nice uptick. It is way undervalued. I have a price target of HPQ of right around $35 a share. And that seems to be shared by a lot of analysts. So I feel really good that it's way undervalued and it can't be ignored anymore. You see volume was up yesterday. Like to see that during a move up and during insider buying, so that is good. Everything is very stable on that one. I like it because it's a stable pick. A good stable pick. All right, next we have HCHC. Okay, insider buying yesterday, reported yesterday. And so I think something big is about to happen with this one. They've got some new contracts with NBC, so there's some good things happening within the company. I had low volume yesterday, but being up today, I expect high volume because of the insider activity. And anyway, expecting to move up. I think this is a real gem of a pick. I like this one. So we'll see how it performs. But number 5 on the list. All right, number 4. Yes, it's back, NBRV. So NBRV yesterday had positive data that came out. They had a really nice press release. And now there is a possibility that we will receive a CRL letter, and that their drug Contempio, or I probably said that wrong, Contempo, will not be approved because the FDA has a travel ban going on right now, and they need to inspect a warehouse that is, or a manufacturing facility that is in Europe. And with the travel ban, it's possible it could be delayed. They have a new pneumonia drug that they were talking about a lot yesterday, that they feel it's not a matter of if, but when it gets FDA approved. So it was a really positive call. I mean, by the end of the call, your feeling was, I need to put more money into NBRV. I think that a 250 price target is very reasonable. I know that sounds kind of crazy. I mean, that's a big uptick, but I expect great things from NBRV. So I just have to hold it. I have to have it. So I just can't miss out on that. So anyway, number 4, NBRV. Number 3, PK. So this had a really strong day yesterday. Insider activity the day before yesterday. I expect continuation, especially with the market being up today. And it's up another 5% pre-market, so I love that sign. High volume, insider buying, a a move up, a nice move up. I just think PK is a great hold. So all day long, hold this, make money. Sounds good to me. All right. And next, PSNL. Had a great day yesterday. It was on the list yesterday, so it was new to the list yesterday. Really large insider buying, and you see their volume was up also. Nice little 17% up. Now, I had to pay a little more than I wanted to, but I was able to get into it for about 5% up. So I had a really nice return on that. I'm going to hold for continuation. I'm expected to really go crazy. And so PSNL, I expect another great day. And USX, number one now. So this little guy has worked its way up. It continues to have insider activity. It continues to have just a little bit better than average volume. It's a little lower volume stock than I like, but another 6% gain out of it yesterday was really exciting for me. I think that will continue, especially with pre-market being up. I'm expecting good things out of USX today. Hopefully we see good things. And that's the list. If you are using this list and you're benefiting, I personally am up 56% in the last month, just following my top 7. And I've set up like my own Webull account that is just the seven stocks that are on this list. And so you should feel good knowing that I believe in these picks enough to invest my own money. I have 2 portfolios. I use, for brokers, I use Webull, and I also use Schwab. And you might scratch your head and say, Schwab, why Schwab? Schwab is absolutely the best at filling orders, bar none. And so if you have a sizable amount of money that you're investing in the stock market, I highly recommend Schwab over any other broker. And the reason is because when I put in that buy order, it fills. And also when it does fill, if there's a better price available, they will get you the better price. I can't explain it, but the difference in trading between Schwab and Robinhood or Webull, they fill orders and they fill sell orders better. So I like Schwab if you have a large amount of money. If you have a small amount of money, I like Webull a lot. I used to be on Robinhood. Robinhood is terrible, except for one thing I really liked about Robinhood is that as you trade, you can buy and sell and buy and sell, and you can day trade and your money's available. You don't have to worry about it. You can turn your money very quickly. But what I didn't like about Robinhood was its market hours. Its market hours are terrible. Sometimes there are great deals in pre-market and aftermarket, and Webull lets you take advantage of all those. And so that's why I prefer Webull over that. Also, with all their crashes and everything, I just didn't feel comfortable with them anymore. But anyway, that's my little plug. If anyone out there is looking for a good broker, I do recommend Webull. If you would like an invite, you can get some free stocks by just signing up, and I would be more than happy to send you an invite. So just message me and let me know if that's what you want. And hope you all have a great trading day and be safe out there. Thanks.